is organized, particularly technology is enforcing the entire world at large, particularly in stock market. Due to volatility and inconsistency of stock market trading, it is essential to impart knowledge on particularly the stock market with reference to how to use the technology at present.
Of course, everybody now, the entire globe is looking AI as one of the source for their well-being or for their growth or for whatever that AI without I, it could not be. Because everything is done by us. Even whatever things that machine learns is deemed the machine to learn.
To be a part of such a valuable event, to have the opportunity to share the insights with the participants. Okay, so before going to the stock markets, you just think about. Thank you, Honorable.
It's my immense pleasure to thank Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir, giving me this great opportunity to do this kind of activities and who delivered the inaugural address.